Who's a big boy? Hi. Hi, Grayson. Oh, tired. Say hi to Mommy. Can you talk to Mommy? Hi. Hi. Grayson. Hi. You can talk? No. Oh. Anything else? Anything else? Oh. What else? Oh. Who's a big boy? You are. Yeah. Okay.